Ningbo Jinchang Electronics Limited is a rapidly growing enterprise in electric BBQ grill area. We have 5,500 square meters of independent plant in Ningbo. Jinchang mainly committed to the research and development and production of electrical appliance products. Our main products include electric barbecue grill, food dehydrator, and other appliance. We have standard production workshops, advanced mechanical equipment, experienced workers, mature production process, quick response sales team. All above help us to provide perfect product quality and service. Jinchang is a member of BSCI and certified by ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. And all of our products are comply with CE. Our engineer team are familiar with regulation of CE GS. We focus on safety issue, competitive prices, efficient production time, quality assurance, and perfect after-sales service are our advantages. We can provide customized service, including product design, packaging design, and so on. We also can provide HD images of multi-angle products, free sample service, timely after-sales service, etc. Jinchang never stop learning. Pursuing super excellence is our everlasting aim. We launch new products regularly. You can continue to pay attention to our Alibaba website or official website to get the latest product information. We also would like to accept customers' new idea and develop with customer together. Let us respect each other, encourage each other, and face challenge together based on our mutual development and success.